Are you looking for the next Nvidia? This stock is going to make big waves. 2025. Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here. This video is dedicated to one stock only. Palantir, PLTR is the ticker. Like, subscribe, and let's talk Palantir. So recently, a Palantir's employee leaked some information that revealed the company from a different angle, and it's got me excited. New price forecasts are out and the numbers are crazy. Let's dive in and explore what's going on. As you may know, big institutions like banks often give out target prices for upcoming stocks. Recently, Bank of America released a new target price for Palantir at $50 per share. But here's the thing. This might be a small prediction compared to Palantir's actual potential. So what's Palantir doing that makes them so promising? It all starts with their effort to create new products and offering. They're also onboarding new clients at an incredible rate. In fact, Palantir just announced the live stream of their 5th AIP Con event, which will feature over 100 organizations speaking publicly about their work with Palantir. This is a huge moment for the company as they demonstrate the growing adoption of their platform. On the other side of the fence, Palantir's stock price has been experiencing some wild movements recently, but mostly it's leaning towards good news for its holders. In the last trading session, someone bought 3 million shares, which is a significant amount of buying from either one person or a large institution. This immediately caught attention, and here's what's even more exciting. During the same trading session, Palantir reached its all-time high price. This massive purchase, combined with the record high stock price, has led to a lot of excitement and speculations about where Palantir is heading next. When someone is willing to buy such a huge number of shares, it sends a strong message to the market. Other investors tend to follow these kind of moves, believing that those making such a big purchases have insight into the company's future's potential. The impact of this massive buy could help boost Palantir's market image. When investors see large purchases, especially when a stock hits new all-time high, they begin to view it as a strong performer. However, there are downsides to this large single investor buys. One of the biggest risks is the volatility it can create. If that one investor decides to sell a large portion of their shares later on, it could cause a sharp drop in the stock price. This can create a boom and bust cycle where the stock price rises quickly on the back of large buys, but then falls just as fast when those shares are sold. Despite the risk, this big buy could signal a bright future for Palantir. It shows confidence from major players, which often brings more stability and growth. If people see this as a huge sign for Palantir to grow big in the future, given the potential of the stock, then they could have the opportunity of a lifetime. Apparently, people have been observing something about Palantir. They're starting to view Palantir in the same way Microsoft was seen back in 1993. During this period, Microsoft was a company with the potential to redefine entire industries. And look at where we are now. Palantir could be a similar inflection point today. Currently, Palantir's market cap stands at approximately $78 billion. In comparison, Microsoft market cap has reached an impressive over $3 trillion. This means Microsoft is about 40 times larger than Palantir. If Palantir can replicate this growth, their stock price could multiply by 40 times its current value. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk Palantir from the technical point of view. First, let's zoom out to the monthly point of view on Palantir on the technical side. As you can see, we are in a new all-time highs. Closing price for all-time highs during monthly, we still have all the way to go to 45. But look at the past 4 months. Even with the August dips, we had a major move from 2070 all the way to 35. Now 29 is the support on the monthly. We are inside a massive uptrend channel, as you can see, long continuation, and we are heading north 43 and 53 to the upside. If we can get another quarter like we had, we are heading north 53. Now on the weekly, another strong week for now on Palantir. We have a gap to the downside, but 32 now is the support on the weekly. Long continuation. We can take the FTI in the past 13 weeks. It will give us more accurate support and resistance for the future. And as you can see, 32, 37 is the support on the weekly. Long continuation. We are heading north to the 39, 44. And as long as Palantir is stuck to the uptrend line from below or even from above, the way is up. But we need to be cautious. Last time Palantir reached this area over here, March 2024, we got rejected. Will this be different? All we need to do is manage our risk, ignore the news, ignore what everybody's saying, even ignore the first part of the video, because if you are 100% technical analysis, if you're a trader, whether for the long term on the monthly or mid-term on the weekly or even on the daily, all you need to do is follow price. All the rest is pure noise. On the daily, we're holding above the 34. Once again, as you can see, doji of this trend line, which means there is some kind of a battle between bulls and bears. Bulls, of course, wants to break above this trend line, and if they will succeed to break above this trend line, they will get a backwind towards 39 and 45. 34 needs to hold, below it 33. Thank you very much for watching this video. I do hope you find it helpful, educational. If so, like, subscribe, check the links in the description below. I assure you, you will find there what you're looking for. Until the next video, stay safe.